Hi, my name is Henry, and I'm here at the Asheville hose store to learn a little more about hose safety and proper hose making techniques. Let's learn together. Let's see how fast I can safely make a hose assembly.
The time.
Take this mark in the wrong place.
The only thing I see wrong is, like you said, the mark in the wrong spot. Your crimp should not have a bubble here.
And now we are going to time one of our pros and see how fast they can make it.
One down hose.
Wow.
50 seconds.
Wow.
Look at that. Well, that was fun, but I think I will leave the hose making to the professionals.